Hi everybody, Gary Porter again. I'm going to show you the basics of the systems because we're getting ready to start the motor next week. As soon as I get the parts from DigiKey. I got two batteries here. This one represents the negative energy going into the motors, then the positive. This is the CD disc on the end of the shaft that spins. There are 6 slots, and they're the width of a Dremel tool, the narrow grinding thing. And there are 8 LED sensors, and I get 6 times 8, so that's 48 pulses per revolution. Sensor 1 is connected to an opto along with sensor 5 to the same opto, and I'll go over that in a minute. And that opto then passes the pulse through a cap, gives you a negative going spike, fires an NE55 timer. That drives the driver and the transformer to do the FET or IGBT, which switches positive or negative into the motor coils, causing rotation in the rotor. At the same time, there's several different pieces of energy coming back from these coils. There's back EMF, there's pickup, there's magnetic induction. All that energy comes back from the positive as a negative that goes and refills the negative side of the system. Positive goes back and refills positive. The batteries don't necessarily need to be batteries. They can be capacitor banks from the high voltage circuit, which is controlled by the PC board. And that's it for that one particular piece. There are 2 PC boards actually. There are 2 opto setups on each board. There are 2 LEDs going to each opto, so that the 8 pulses are covered by the 2 boards. Now I've got a rotor, got the 12 magnets, and it's north, south, north. They alternate. Got coils, dual coils. There's an A coil and a B coil. There's 1 through 24 on this side, 1 through 24 on this side. These are the odd. One would be the odd set, and there's an even set. The LED in this particular first pulse position, number 1 coil is going to push on the magnets, and number 3 will push, and number 5, but that's only going to be the A coil in the odds. Now, so that's going to be pulse 1 from the LED, goes and fires a positive in to do the pushing, and then number 2 goes down and does a negative pulse into the B set, and that does a pull, and then we go to 3 and so on and so forth, all the way down through all 8 pulses are processed in these 2 PC boards. There's opto here, and an opto here, and an opto here, and an opto here. The diodes again recovering the energy coming back, and these are 2-inch neo magnets. And that's about it, really. There's, for each revolution, every 60 degrees there's a slit on the CD disc, and that gives me a 48 pulses total per revolution. And from what I've seen, by just pulsing these coils with the 12-volt battery, just touching it, it moves the rotor about 12 inches, so I cannot imagine what this thing is going to do when it gets 100 volts from the capacitor stored here as an impulse. So we're going to have some fun. Anyway, that's it for now. Have a good day.